examples. So let's start. 1 plus 1 is how much? 1, 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4 dogs. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3, 2 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chicken. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is how much? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 1 is how much? 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. There are 3 bunnies. 1, 3 is how much? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elephants. So friends, 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 4 is how much? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 3 is how much? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Hope you like our videos. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.